So I get asked all the time about packing parachutes really, really tight. What's the best way to do it? And I was going to show you, it's a little bit windy, so it's perfect to show kind of how you're going to pack on the field. Some of the things I have to be able to do this are just one of these little paper clips, parachute of course. You could use a hook, anything. It's really just to tether off the parachute to get tension, and then a weight bag. You could use a can of soup, a coupler, anything with a little bit of weight to keep tension on the parachute. So first thing I always do, take this, hook it up to the leg of a canopy or something like that. Just like that. And then take the canopy and you'll just take the actual connection point on the canopy and just throw it on the hooks. Just like that. And then we'll mess this up so it's a good example. So all you're going to do is grab the very top of the canopy, pull it over, pull it tight. Put your weight on the top. That keeps it from trying to inflate, bounce around, anything like that. And then what you're going to do is just each individual gore, pull out the middle. Like that's tucked in, pull it out. You're just going to go around and do that to each one. Once you have it like that, what I like to do, pull it tight, you know it's all untangled, grab your paper clip, go around all the lines and push it up to the base. Tight against the base, just like that. Then, shake it. That'll make sure all the insides have fallen out, all the centers of each gore. This canopy has 12, I believe, panels. 10, sorry. So we'll count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And split it in half. Pull it tight. Put the weight back on. Bring it center again. This will keep it nice and tight. You'll come over, disconnect the lines, fold it up right there. Don't forget to disconnect your clip. Keep the lines right in the center and then fold everything back over. From this point, if you need it more narrow, you could do that. If you need it a smaller roll, leave it wide. But first thing I like to do is all of these cords, you don't want them falling out while the canopy is still coming out. So you need to lock them in place. I just fold it in half. That locks them pretty good. And you can see gentle tug even without weight, they stay in. And then you'll roll it. Roll it tight, put your weight or anything on it. And then connect it back to your shock cord. And then I always bring it up to the top. And then just wrap it as tight as you possibly can. Just like that. And you could give a few wraps of a shock cord if you want, but from there it should pop out and spring open pretty good. So that's how I get my chutes packed really, really tight and still deployed fine. And just to prove that with the wind, there we have the canopy.